Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the resolution issue of a video in CapCut Mobile. So if you have a blurry video in CapCut, you can easily do this trick. So the first thing that you can do is click on the video, find the video quality menu, this one at the bottom. And here, if the video is blurry or maybe there are noise in the video, you can just click on this reduce image, and here just swipe it to the right, and CapCut will reducing the image noise on your video. But if your video have flicker, you can also use these remove flickers. Just do the same, click on remove flicker and drag the circle here to the intensity that you want, weak, recommended, or strong. Click on the check icon, and if you want to adjust the resolution, just click on this resolution box at the top. Here you can choose between the this four option of resolution. For example, if you want to make it 4K, just swipe it to the right. Here you can also adjust the frame rate, and after that you can just export your video. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.